guys, good day. Now I'm relaxing and it's my day off time. So I want to go some place in Kuwait. So I need to relax because now too much stress for mechanic working. So I go with this guy. This guy is Winnie. This my guy is very nice guy. He is the owner of this vehicle. This Lancer. Lancer ha, Winnie? Lancer ha?
Huh?
Lancer, Mitsubishi Lancer ha? Yeah, very nice. This vehicle is very cheap. He buy very cheap, but very nice. Very nice car. So I go to Fahel to release my pressure here because now it's too much heat for a job. So I hope no have a problem here because if have problem, this management will call me to come back and fix the issue. So stay tuned guys, we are eating for the good restaurant, and I met with my long time friend here in Kuwait. Guys, we are on the way on the place I've seen. Guys, we are on the way on Mabula. So we are near on the Fahil. This is Mabula. Mabula. My friend Winnie is live here in Mabula.
Yes.
Guys, I'm here already near in the my friend's house. So I see them in outside. We meet them in outside. This guy, he told me he stay here. He going. Tapat nang? Saan tapat? Grand Hyper eh, andito ko sa Albaha eh. Ivy Center. Nandito na ako sa Albaha eh. Nahanap kita eh. Oh, sige. Sige. Okay. Andito nga sa Albaha. Oh, sige. Okay. Asan ka ba banda? Ay, yun pala eh. Guys, he already waiting for me. See this guy. Hi ka muna, hi.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
This is my friend, long time friend.
Eh,
Baka may tira pa, sabihin mo.
baka gusto yata sa Jollibee eh. Andiyan ka ba? Nasaan ka ba? Puntahan ka namin dyan. Sige, puntahan namin dyan. Sige. Bahala ka na kung ano yung nakakabusog daw
Guys,
dyan eh.
we are going to
Okay na ba yun?
my another friend. We are three brothers here. So we are going
Yung
there.
ano lang, yung ano lang,
Maybe at the Jollibee.
yung pang-budget
Jollibee
lang.
restaurant.
Papakainin ba ito ng mahal eh. Pang-budget lang. One piece chicken lang. Ay. Ako ay nakangayayat na eh.
Nangangayayat na ba?
Nakangayayat na. Ay, diyan ka na lang. Diyan ka na lang at akit kami rin. Sige, sige, akit ka namin.
Guys, we are cruising in this city center. Yaal Mall. It's very nice inside. Inside have too much stuff and all the accessories there inside.
Control na, control.
Ah,
Control na.
kanyan.
Oh, maganda yan. Ayan, oh, puro jeep.
See guys, my friend is too much good selfie stick. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, we are now reaching in the McDonald's.
I'm so excited.
And now we are going to the Jollibee. Jollibee, baka naman.
Our friend is waiting there. He will give me free breakfast.
Yeah. Jollibee.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. They already order?
We'll see.
English spoken ka lang.
This is my friend.
Balita.
Ano yung bibili na kayo ng kape?
Hindi.
Picture ka.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Sige, tapos
Tayo.
Oo.
Ano mo, ibinigay niyo eh.
Ito.
Hindi nga, wala nang ibinigay niyo. Ano, ibinigay. Ito na lang.
Sige, magpapakain. Sige, yun lang.
Ito na lang. Okay din sa pinalo eh. Kumain naman doon ko.
Sige.
Yan naman.
Okay na yan?
Tsaka kape.
Oo, sige.
Kunin mo na yan. Ikaw na.
Oh.
Magkano ba naman ito? Baka
nakikita naman ako may ginagawa rin. Tapos sa akin ipapasa.
Guys, we are already done with our breakfast. Finish now. Guys, may wristback. Ice cream.
Yan daw yung bagong labas. Humingi ako ng ice cream doon. Sabi, subukan nyo na itong aming bagong ice cream ng Jollibee.
Guys, we are in another restaurant now. Filipino restaurant.
Ito naman ang ano eh.
Manggugulo.
Ito mo kitchen tungkol sa anak mo.
Dalawang ano lang. Hindi ako nagkukunin.
Hindi ako nag-iilan mo.
Kunin nga isang...
Dalawa lang.
Tubig lang.
Tubig yung isa.
Hindi na. Ito mo na eh.
Thank you Lord. Salamat po Panginoon sa pagkain.
Kaso hindi ako sa ako ito.
Rapat yun eh. Thank you.
Baka nagulo naman. Wala, hindi naman masasako. Ayan.
Ano, matuloy ba yung...
Nagkaroon ko lang ng remote eh.
Ito lang pero ba't kumain na? Inside na yun.
360.
Maganda siya. Ano na sila mo? Ang fire table eh. Oh.
Hindi, ano yung setting mo yung camera? Mas nalpa ka. Pwede.
Guys, we are already done for lunch. Going come back in the mud plant.